What have you been making this evening?
Well, I've been making some pancakes, some pancakes. This one is for James. It will have bananas and chocolate chips.
It's wonderful.
And we've also been making stuff. We've made a couple plain for Evan, because you know he doesn't like chocolate.
Oreos.
Oreos, yeah, we've been putting Oreos in them. It's a good shit.
That's real cool.
Jen's brother liked them. No, James, you're gonna have a big one.
Yay.
Cranberry juice.
Is it the most great thing to eat with pancakes?
It's 100%. It's only juice.
How are your pancakes?
Chocolatey, delicious.
Really? On a scale of 1 to 10, how wonderful are they?
So good! Oh my god!
You can have to say, I'm gonna have to say an 8. Whoa.
Whoa.
I'm sorry. Well, don't do that.
Oh
Wait, an 8 because stop that because there was more chocolate chips on one side than the other.
Oh, okay.
So I've had to smush it all together, kind of.
Does it make watching Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix more enjoyable?
If possible.
That's
Yes,
cool.
it does. Like,
especially this dramatic scene. Oh my goodness.
oh no, this is the worst.
Oh no.
No.
These pancakes smell so good!
Evan, stop. You're running.
Evan, how do you like pancakes?
This is what I do. I cut my pancakes into little bite-sized pieces. Pre-eating it.
That's really cool.
So I can just take a fork and I could just pick up a little bite-sized piece and put it in my mouth.
Cool. What do you think of this movie?
I don't know what it's about. I don't know what it is.
I'm gonna fucking kill
Okay, you know what? But I didn't get this far. I've never gotten
which
this
ones have you
far
seen,
in
Evan?
the stories of Harry Potter, the adventures of Harry Potter.
How?
I only got to the second one.
Oh wow. That's messed
What
up.
did the Phoenix order?
Oh my god, I hate you.
You ordered French fries and a sandwich.
Your pancakes ready.
Pancakes!
I think I put too much maple syrup.
Wow, this looks like a really wonderful banana chocolate chip pancake made by a wonderful guest, Chef Tobey.
It's very nominal.
Indeed it is.
Mine has Oreos on it. This is an Oreo.
This is really good.
She's 12!
What is the secret to making pancakes so good? I'm sure our viewers would like to know. There you have it, folks. Wonderful, the most important ingredient to such a wonderful, delectable substance known as pancakes.
And ground up plankton.
Quite so.
Watson.
Harry Potter! Harry Potter!
Oh, why you wearing baggy pants?
That's weird.
Because they're not sluts at Hogwarts, Evan.
I know, but
They don't all wear yoga pants to class.
they should. At least Emma should.
Hermione.
They're really the liquor. Wearing yoga pants.
Hermione.
Hermione.
Harry.